I love that because, like, I'm sure there's, purists who are, there's certain cars that you wouldn't want to do this to, of course, right? But
I'd want to do it to every car.
oh, okay.
Honestly, I love a gnarly V8. I've built some really stupid vehicles, which are a lot of fun. I love the sound. I love the experience. I love, shaking the fillings out of my teeth with a big cam. I love all that stuff. But after playing with this technology in several different platforms, honestly, the vehicles are better.
Okay.
As far as the driving experience is superior in every way, except for maybe the obnoxious factor, the noise.
Right.
That you miss, but it's taken over by something else. A weird, your car sounds like it's something out of Blade Runner. Right. And you can still hear the rest of the car. You can hear the shifting, you hear the suspension, you still know that you're in an old car. Mm-hmm. But the power and the drivability of these things is just, it's absolutely phenomenal.
Okay. So it's just like this, electric just kind of seems to be like straight up better.
It is. The only limitation that we have right now in electric, as everybody...
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you. You said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.